the time I'm at in my life right now. Feeling very strong, very independent, more full of life than I've ever felt before. I think that the fragrance captures that. It's very sensual, very romantic, very alluring. Trying to find the right notes for the fragrance, I was really drawn to white flowers like gardenia and magnolia. The beautiful white blooms inspired the perfume. It also has a very sensual side of it with the night blooming jasmine. Get that sense of steamy night, somewhere in the south. This fragrance showcases who I am right at this moment. It's really indicative of the time I'm at right now. I feel so happy and very much like myself. This fragrance is nice for a lot of different type of women. A grounded woman, but also a woman who is very in touch with her joy for life. It's been a very creative and educational process. I'm really proud of it.